young farmer realizes his dream through the Department of Agriculture's Agricultural Training Institute or ATI program. Philippine Information Agency Socsargen Shahana Duerme Mangasar has the details.
Romel Española, born to a farming family, is transforming from being a recalcitrant youth full of vices into a model farmer through the intervention of the Department of Agriculture's Agricultural Training Institute or ATI. Española started to love agriculture more when he was convinced to join the 4-H club in 2017. His goal of having a learning site for agriculture led him to take advantage of the programs of the ATI Regional Training Center based in Tantangan, South Cotabato. He became a beneficiary of the Adopt a Farm Youth Program and the Young Filipino Farm Leaders Training Program in Japan, which developed his skills and knowledge on farming techniques.
Yung dating iniisip ko is yung sugal lang, ganun, sugal sa manok, kabayo, pero nang dahil sa 4-H Club, after 2018, nawala yung vision na yon, and then nag-focus po ako sa pagplan na makabuo ng sariling farm at makaroon ng learning site.
At present, the Española Integrated Farm serves as a venue for farmers who are eager to learn new techniques in vegetable farming and livestock raising.
Atin pong inaanyayahan ang ating mga kabataan na i-avail po ninyo ang mga programang ino-offer po ng gobyerno. Hindi lamang po sa ATI, maging sa iba't ibang ahensya ng ating gobyerno dahil marami po kaming nakalaang programa para sa inyo.
The ATI Regional Training Center encourages the youth to strengthen the country's agriculture sector by utilizing government programs and services and urges them to reinforce farmers and extension workers in food production. From the Philippine Information Agency Socsargen, Shahana Duerme Mangasar, Balitang Pambansa.